Hi guys! Today we'll see how you can improve image quality from low to high resolution. Let's say you have an image like this which is of low quality. Now let's see how you can upscale the quality of this image to high quality. So to do that, let's go to the link in the description. Click on Upload Image and then upload the image which you want to improve the quality for. As you can see, the image quality has been improved. You can also choose the intensity of the upscale quality. I will choose 8x for the maximum amount of quality improvement. Now go ahead and click on Save to download the image to your computer.